What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple M1 MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch model. Just to go over some of the specs, this is the base model, selling for $12.99 pretty much everywhere. Apple, Best Buy, Amazon, so forth and so on. This particular model has 8 gigabytes of memory, 256 gigabytes of solid state storage, a 13-inch Retina display with True Tone, Magic Keyboard, has the touch bar, Touch ID, Force trackpad, and has 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB 4 ports. So let's see what you get in the box for the price. And I'll be doing benchmarks and things like that in my review videos and comparing it to some of the other models. Well, as far as productivity, I know this isn't a gaming beast, but for all your productivity needs, it should suit the bill. Looks like typical great Apple branding and build. Usual books. I'm assuming there's stickers and stuff like that in here. Yep. Let's see. You get the brick. Okay. And the cable. Looks like Type C to Type C. And pretty simple. You know, Apple is pretty short and sweet with the boxes and things like that, which is pretty cool. Get straight to the point. All right, so this is the device itself. Here's your ports, and then you got your headphone jack on them. All right, so let's take a look. Wow, there we go. In all of its glory. The build quality is absolutely amazing. I love their products when it comes to, oh man, it's got some juice and all that. Okay, so, wow, okay. It's kind of doing its thing, but you guys can see the Magic Keyboard. I'm sorry about that. It definitely lights up with the True Tone display. So, welcome aboard. So like I said before, I'll be doing a little setup, and hopefully I'll have a comparison. Oh, it's talking. So again, I'll get back with y'all, but in the meantime, if you guys do me a favor, help a brother out, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, you guys take care of each other. Peace.